Hello my loves, Hello everyone, Jocelyn here. I am back with another video. I was inspired to do this video because I got a new Moonstone ring, and as you guys can see, the Moonstone crystal is blue and it has like some green, and it's so pretty. So I remembered that I had this CoverGirl Katy Perry collection eyeshadow, and I love these colors because they're like not shimmer, but they are shimmer, but they're like, I don't know, like iridescent type of colors. And when I first saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, I cannot wait to use this. And I finally got to use them today, and I'm so excited. Please go ahead and click the subscribe button. Like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, and click the bell, because if you guys don't click the bell, you guys won't see when I post a video, and that makes me really sad because YouTube is not looking out for your girl. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching.